So we are moving towards towards our second question, which is find from the figure. So our figure is ABC, and it is a triangle. It is a triangle, and we will find these all trigonometrical ratios, six trigonometrical ratios from this triangle. So in order to find these trigonometrical ratios, we will first find its height of the triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we will find the height of the triangle, which is AC square gives BC square plus AB square. So the value of AC is 15, it will be squared, and BC value is 12, it will be squared plus AB square. It has no value, so it will remain AB. So 15 square is 225 is equals to 144, which is 12 square plus AB square. Now AB square will become 225 minus 144, which will give us 81, and 81 will be AB square. Now these both values will get rooted and we will get as 9 AB. So we have got the value of AB, which is 9 centimeter, 9 units. So we will find all the trigonometrical ratios from this. First is sine theta. Sine theta's value is height divided by hypotenuse. So height of our triangle is AB and hypotenuse of our triangle is AC. Now the value of AB is 9 and AC's value is 15. These both will get cancelled and we will get 3 upon 5. Now we will find the value of cos theta, which is base divided by hypotenuse. So base of our triangle is BC and hypotenuse of our triangle is AC. So the value of base is 12 and hypotenuse value is 15. These both will get cancelled and we will get our answer as 4 divided by 5. Now our third trigonometrical ratio is tan theta. Tan theta's value is height divided by base. So height of our triangle is AB and base of our triangle is BC. So height is 9 and base is 12. These both will get cancelled and we will get as 3 by 4 by cutting this fraction. Now our fourth trigonometrical ratio is cot theta. So the value of cot theta is base divided by height. Base of our triangle is BC and height of our triangle is AB. So BC is 12 and AB is 9. We will get our value as 4 by 3. And it is just reciprocal of tan theta, so we have got the answer 4 by 3. Now our fifth is cosec theta. Cosec theta is just reciprocal of sine theta, which is hypotenuse divided by height. So hypotenuse of our triangle is AC and height is AB. So AC's value is 15 and height's value is 9. These both will get cancelled and we will get our answer as 5 by 3. Now we have got the value of sine theta as 3 by 5 and cosec theta as 5 by 3. Now our last trigonometrical ratio is sec theta. Sec theta is just reciprocal of cos theta, so we will get the value as hypotenuse. So the formula of sec theta is hypotenuse divided by base. Hypotenuse of our triangle is AC and base of our triangle is BC. So hypotenuse is 15 and base is 12. So these both will get cancelled and we will get our answer as 5 by 4. So we have found all the answers of this question. Now we are moving towards our next question. So we are moving towards our next question, which states that from the figure find, and we have to find these trigonometrical ratios, and this is our figure given, and its value is 12 and 5. Now in order to find these equations, we will convert this A into an acute angle by rotating this triangle. So we will get there will be A, and here will be C, and here will be B. Now AB's value is nothing which we will find by Pythagoras theorem, and AC's value is 12 and BC's value is 5. So now we will find the AB, which is the hypotenuse for triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we will find the value of this. So the hypotenuse is AB square, which gives us BC square plus AC square. So AB's value is not given. AB's value is not given, and BC's value is given, which is 5 square, plus AC's value is given, which is 12 square. So AB square is equals to 25 plus 144, which will give us AB square, which will give us 169. So now these both the values will get rooted and we will get our answer of AB as 13. Now we will find sine A, which is our first. Sine A. So A is acute, A is written here. So there in this triangle A is acute. So this triangle will be considered for these equations for this trigonometrical ratio. So sine's value is height upon hypotenuse. So height of our triangle is BC and hypotenuse of our triangle is AB. So height's value is 5 and hypotenuse's value is 13. So we have got our answer as 5 by 13. Now we have to find second trigonometrical ratio, which is cos A. So the formula of cos is base divided by hypotenuse. So base of our triangle is AC divided by hypotenuse of our triangle is AB, which will give us the base is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. So we will get our answer of cos A is 12 by 13. So our next is sin squared A minus cos squared A. So sin's value is 5 by 13, which will be whole squared, plus cos value is 12 by 13, which will be whole squared. Now we will get our answer as 25 by 169 plus 144 by 169. 169, as the fraction is like fraction, so both numerators will be added and the denominators will not be added. So the answer will be 169 by 169, and these both will be cancelled and we will get our answer as 1. Now we have to find the fourth subtraction of trigonometrical ratio, which is sec squared A minus tan squared A. So in order to find this, we have to first find sec A and tan A. So sec A has the formula, which is hypotenuse divided by base. So hypotenuse of our triangle is BA and the hypotenuse of our triangle is AB and base of our triangle is AC. So AB is 13 and AC is 12. Now we have got the answer as 13 by 12 of sec A, and tan A we will get, tan's value is height divided by base. So height of our triangle is BC and base of our triangle is AC. So BC's value is 5 and AC's value is 12. 5 divided by 12. Now we will get this answer. Now we have to find this trigonometrical ratio by both these trigonometrical ratios. So sec squared A is 13 by 12 whole square minus tan squared A is 5 by 12 whole square. So 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144, minus 5 square is 25, and again 12 square is 144. So 169 minus 25 will give us the answer as 144, and as the fraction is like fraction, the denominators are same, so they will not be subtracted. And we will get our answer as 144 divided by 144, in which we will, when these will be cancelled, we will get our value as 144 divided by 1.